Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and look what I have in front of me! It's a golden envelope. Oh my gosh, I love when I get really fun happy mail in the mailbox with really fun envelopes and always brightens my day. But what's inside this envelope is the most exciting part, of course, because it is my Simply Gilded subscription box. And this is for the month of December, and it's the Travel Love subscription box. My second box and the second box to ever be released from Simply Gilded. So I'm super excited about this. I have seen sneak peeks and they're gorgeous. So I cannot wait to get into this. I have pre-opened a little bit just to make it a little quicker. So here we go. Oh my gosh, this box though. Oh my gosh. Just like last time, it does seem like the things want to escape because this box does not want to stay closed, but that's okay. I do think at least though that the box itself has remained intact because last time the envelope was a little bit too small. So the glue on the envelope got kind of stuck to the side of the box and kind of ruined the box a little bit, which I got a little sad about, but that's okay. But now they have bigger envelopes so that the whole box fits and it's not any problem of closing it, so that's awesome. Look at this box though. I love that they have custom made boxes for every single month. I have seen pretty much everything that's inside this box, so it's not really a surprise, but that's okay because I don't mind knowing what's inside because I kind of like to know what I pay for, but oh my gosh, I'm still super excited to open it, so here we go. So first we see here Travel Love December 2017, and it says everything that is included. I love the theme of this box, just like by the name travel, because I love to travel and I really want to do more traveling, so this is totally like for me, I feel like. So firstly we get a journaling card like we always do in a Simply Gilded order, but with the subscription box we get it with the same theme as the subscription items, which I think is really cool. So here it says off the charts. Oh, that is really funny. And this kind of compass, and I love these colors though. They're so pretty. So one of the things that I think people have been the most excited about for this box is the keychain. Last month we got a magnet that was pretty much exactly the same as this one. In fact, I'm actually gonna go and fetch the magnet and compare it for you. So here was the magnet from last month, and here is the gorgeous keychain from this month. You can see the size difference is pretty substantial, but oh my gosh, the bow itself is the same color and I love it so much with the kind of pale pink and the gold. Really nice. Oh, look here. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. It's like a little message on the back here. It says, "Let your light shine. Simply Gilded." I love that. That was completely new. I did not know there was gonna be a little cute message on the back. That's so nice. All right, so then I'm gonna save the washer for last, just to let you know. We do have a insert, or like a little notebook. It really depends what you want to use it for. It's really thin, so you can really easily take it with you or even put it inside a bigger planner just for note taking. And it is a dot grid, but I love the design. I mean, it's so pretty with the gold foiling and everything. And here it says Wanderlust. I love that word so much. My absolute favorite item in this box for sure has to be this. It's sticky notes, and I love sticky notes. And these are like gonna be one of my favorite sticky note pads in my entire collection, because this is so gorgeous. They're pretty big too, but because of the foiling, the space you have to write on is basically inside the globe here, and then it says love. But man, these like pastel blues, almost greens, and then the little bit of purple and some pink. It's so pretty. It reminds me kind of the evening sky a little bit, which I think is so pretty. Okay, so then we have the stickers, and I love that Irene from Simply Gilded, that she has started making stickers because they're gorgeous. It's like everything she touches turns to gold and gorgeous, so it's just so fun to have her making stickers as well. So here's a little close-up. We have the headers here in gorgeous gold foiling and pretty different colors with a bunch of different things that you can use it for. And down here we have some deco. And what's this? Oh my gosh, is this like passports? Passport, United States of America, Philippines, Australia, Canada, World Traveler. That is, oh my gosh, look in this one. Do you see? All of them are like the same of the world, like the globe, but this one has a little heart, like World Traveler. That is such a nice little detail, which I love. And just like the map here and the globe here and this one, I love every single one of these stickers. Here's some like banners and 3 full boxes that are just so gorgeous. Here it says adventure awaits, where next, and then explore. I love these so much. So pretty. But now it is time to get into the washi tape, which is always gorgeous. I mean, Simply Gilded is known for her washi tape, but I do love that she's branching out because Irene is just so talented in many different ways and she knows how to design beautiful products. So yeah, I love everything she does pretty much. Okay, so I think the main washi in this month's kit is the kind of map washi. So let's take a look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have this gorgeous pastel kind of lilac watercolor background, and then we have the map of the world as well as a little gold compass to the side. And I can see, you have to be really close to see it, but they're like tiny hearts on the maps, kind of like marking where you've been or where you want to go maybe. That is such a nice detail and I love it so much. It's so pretty. Oh, this I think will be my favorite one out of the washes in this month's kit. So then we have, oh, it's a bow one. It's a matching kind of lilac bow one. Oh, and this one has silver foiling. That was unique because everything else is like gold foil. That's cool, but it's like the skinny bow, not the regular bow, but still super pretty. We have another one that's a thinner or skinnier washi, I should say. And this one has a bunch of words on it, so let's see. It starts with travel love, see the sights, take the road less traveled. That's one of my favorite quotes. Wanderlust, and then it starts over. I love this background though. I love this theme so much. It is simply gorgeous. And okay, last but not least, there's another regular sized roll. And this design is a really nice floral, but it's kind of a unique floral because usually people draw like roses or peonies or tulips or something. These look more like daisies to me or something similar, and it's on a kind of light blue background, which once again, I love. It's just so pretty, and there's some foiling in there as well, and I love to have like a kit of washi because this way you can create spreads that match perfectly and just look so good together, which I'm all about matching stuff, which you already know if you've been watching my videos for a while, so this is perfect. Alright, so this was everything inside the Simply Gilded subscription box for the month of December. I am so happy with everything. The quality is amazing as always, and the designs are gorgeous, which is not a surprise because it is Simply Gilded after all. And I am without a doubt super excited for next month's box as well, the January box, which from the sneak peeks I know is gonna be so pretty as well, and I can't wait to get it in my hands. Okay, but either way, now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, you can give it a thumbs up if you want to, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!